Hello guys, welcome again to the World of Life. Today we are going to talk about neutralization reaction in acid and base. Okay, so neutralization is the process by which an acid reacts with a base to give salt and water only. This end product is actually carried on by the observation of an indicator. Then what is an indicator? An indicator is a weak acid or a weak base that changes color according to the degree of hydrogen ion solution concentration in the solution. It means that the indicator actually changes color as titration proceed. Okay, so this is how it actually happen. Now, before you can actually titrate using acid-based solution, you also need other apparatus like the bullet and the retort stand and the flat bottom flask and the pipette. Okay, now the pipette is used to collect an indicator. So when you take a certain amount of acid you wanted to titrate against base, you will now use pipette to collect the indicator. Okay, now when you collect the indicator and put it into an acid and gradually titrating, by titrating is gradually dropping some base into an acid. As you drop them, you shake to make sure that the acid and the base mix together so that neutralization reaction will take place. Now, as it is going on, there is actually color change. Now, the color change means that there is neutralization reaction that is happening. Okay, so after that, there is a final color we called an endpoint. An endpoint is now when you are not actually having either an acid solution or a basic solution, you are actually having only salt and water left in the solution because of what there is actually neutralization of acid and base. Okay, so now, like I said, you need a retort stand, you need a bullet, you need a flat bottom flask, you need a pipette, and also you need an indicator. Okay, so we are also going to talk about some indicators and also their color change. So the indicator we are having is because I'm going to call a number of indicator is we have natural indicator. For instance, we have the litmus paper. Okay, the litmus paper obtained from leaching. Okay, leaching available as a solution or a paper stripe. We have turmeric, we have red cabbage. These are natural indicator. We have synthetic indicator like the methyl orange and the methyl red. We also have the universal indicators. We have the olfactory indicator. We have the Rados indicator. So we have some indicators and their color change in an acid solution. For instance, the litmus paper. The litmus paper changes from blue to red in an acid solution. We have the phenolphthalein. The phenolphthalein become colorless in acid solution. We have the methyl orange. Okay, the methyl orange changes to red in an acid solution. We have the Baltimore blue. Baltimore blue changes to yellow in an acid solution. We have the turmeric. The turmeric changes to yellow in an acid solution. We have the China rose. The China rose also change to magenta. Magenta can be also called violence, okay, or purple in an acid solution as well. Okay, so now when you are titrating these particular indicators, you add them into an acid and you see this color. Now, as the color gradually fading away or changing into another color, it means that there is actually neutralization reaction taking place. Okay, remember that the indicator is either a weak acid or a weak base. But the only thing there is it does not actually alter the pH level of the solution. For instance, if you use a base or an acid indicator to add into an acid, it does not actually rise the pH level of that acid, or try to neutralize the uh, acid to a certain percentage. This indicator acts like a catalyst, not actually like a catalyst in function. The only thing there is that it does not actually alter the neutralization reaction, the same way that a catalyst does not actually alter the rate of either chemical reaction or a biochemical reaction. So the next time we are going to meet, we are also going to talk about more of these reactions. Okay, so do follow me if you're not actually following me before, and also share it with your friends that are actually interested to learn. See you in the next video.